The Kenya electricity generating company KenGen is targeting to put up electro-mobility infrastructure in 6 towns in efforts to encourage uptake of electric vehicles and motorbikes. KenGen General Manager for Strategy and Innovation David Muthike says the firm will soon start putting up 30 charging stations.
Statistics from KenGen indicates that Kenya has 92.3% of electricity generated locally from hydro, thermal and wind power. However, a paltry 350 of Kenya's 2.2 million cars are electric, with the space awash with opportunities.
There are some areas we're looking at in terms of opportunities and also in terms of challenges. In the area of opportunities, I think this is the right time for stakeholders to go into what we call charging infrastructure, deploy the infrastructure when it comes to charging electric vehicles.
Speaking at an e-mobility stakeholders forum, players said that it is time to define policies surrounding tariffs and taxes in the space.
How do we lobby with the government to make sure that we get batteries like the lithium battery currently? We should get tax exemptions on the lithium batteries. These are discussions that has already started.
Because of the billing technology, when we talk of charging infrastructure, I think billing will be a component. How we'll do the billing for the users, I think it will be a big thing. How we liaise with the Kenya Power on this aspect, it will be a major issue. So that maybe we could have special tariffs, all right, for the charging stations to promote the use of these EVs.
Actually, for us who are bringing brand new, fully built units, it's extremely expensive. So the first 2 buses we brought, the duties were almost the same price of buying the bus.
That notwithstanding, government power utility agencies like KenGen and Kenya Power and relevant regulators in e-mobility like the Kenya Bureau of Standards (KEBS) are currently in discussions with the private sector on how to effectively roll out infrastructure.
We are looking at a few cities, about 6 of them, without actually going to the specifics. And we want to roll out some 30 of them. That's our plan. That's the charging infrastructure with an intention of accelerating that investment as we see how the market unfolds to about 180 charging stations.
The efforts has seen various players in the mass production of buses, motorbikes, bicycles and cars scramble to position themselves in the sector, with others like Basigo announcing the commercial entry of electric buses on Nairobi city routes by January 2023.
Now we've moved to the next level. The next level is to see can they run commercially, and that's what we are doing right now. And as we speak today, we've got 15 buses sailing from China, and we expect them here in the beginning of December. So then you start seeing more buses moving to this and to the circles.
Even as the e-mobility situation in Kenya becomes more clearer to the consumer, now players are saying maybe there is a need for conversation on the tax incentives and perhaps the infrastructure in the country.
Alan Auko, Lunchtime News.